Anton. Yeah. I'm good.
You're looking well and fit. So because of the rain, it's a bit challenging.
Yes.
So we've spoken to Katya and Jack.
Yeah.
And tomorrow and Sunday we'll do the training at in Kachi.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just easier, better.
Okay.
So I think he's organising now that Katwana will fetch in the morning.
Yes.
And then take the team over.
Oh.
Okay, in the morning.
Yeah.
And then we'll do the training and the talking and whatever there, and then come back.
Okay.
Okay.
No problem.
But I think that's nice.
Yeah.
It's nice here, huh?
Yeah.
I think tonight maybe, it looks like the weather is going to clear up. So tonight maybe we'll camp here tonight.
Today.
Yeah, tonight. Yeah. We'll stay here. We'll stay here tonight. But I need to check the weather. That's the thing. If it rains, then it's nothing. We'll just see. We'll just see. But we want to stay. Can you say hello to the team?
Oh.
So the only challenge here is there's no holes.
Yeah. Just you have to roll this one.
Oh, roll it up.
Yeah.
So you roll it underneath one. Yeah. That'll work.
This one you
I think
roll
this will
it.
work.
Yeah.
And then we need poles. We got rope. We need poles,
Yeah.
and we can put it down.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right. Let me get hold of Jack. All right. I'll get the rope.
Yeah.
So I think we got the tent sorted. The training facility for tomorrow. Clearing up the vehicle. Got the wood on the go. Flames being thrown around. And cooking our meat. Always trusted donkey long. But the fire is moving around a bit too much. There we go. That's a bit better. Yeah, it's getting a bit late for us. What's the time now? Oh, 25 to 7, so we need a good proper meal. Good proper night's sleep. I don't know how long that's going to take. But the guys are cool though, they're in good spirits. It's nice. Excited. Very, as you can hear in the background. Sorry, doggy. I know you were busy there. Oh, you were sleeping. You're going to have to sleep later. Let's just check the weather again. Early hours of the morning. And then at lunchtime, all hell's going to break loose for about an hour, and then it's going to come back and hang around a bit. But then it looks like it's clear again tomorrow night. Not clear, but not pouring with rain until 5 o'clock the next day. Alright, well, let's hope it blows out.
What's going on, Tom?
fixing an oopsie. I didn't want the Starlink cable coming out the back here because I was worried about it getting stuck here. And it's worked well up until about 45 minutes ago. So now I'm fixing the cable because the cable got stuck in here and it got sliced in half. So thankfully it's just a red and a white, and experience shows bring tools and equipment. So I have that. So in between chomping, I'm going to try and fix it. And thankfully I've also got a few of these connectors, which is cool. See it there. Here we go. How cool is this little connector? How cool is that? Cable in. You lift that, put the cable in, and you lock it. Chilled, easy. Perfect for small stuff like this. Well, we'll find out if it's perfect when it works. For ages. I wanted bigger ones to run bigger power, a higher amperage between the front and the back, but that wasn't going to work. How's this going on there? Right. So, closed and
make sure the white and the white is lined up there, not the red and the white.
You want to check my homework, sir?
Yes.
Well, there's only one way to find that out. Either when the make sure everything's in. That's in, right. The moment of truth. We got power. And we got power. Where's the blue light? Wait, there you are. Alright, let's see if it works. What a schoolboy error. But anyway, happens. Human. It's all your fault, Cam.